I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search for trigger, which is Piotnet Addons Form. Select a form. Click on Next. Now here search and select Copper CRM. Give a name. For API email and API key, please visit Copper CRM dashboard. Click on Setting. Now click on Integrations. Then click API key. Click on Generate API key. Copy API email and API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Copper CRM dashboard and refresh the page. You can see record created in People module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.